Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Before we dive into today's review, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest content. Today, we're taking a look at the Awapow 3.5-inch Doorbell Peephole Viewer Digital Door Camera. This little device is a game changer when it comes to home security, and I can't wait to tell you all about it. First off, let's talk about the features. This doorbell comes with a 3.5-inch LCD screen and a 2 CMOS sensor, providing you with clear, high-definition images. The 120 degrees wide-angle lens ensures that you can see everything outside your door, reducing any potential safety hazards. But what really sets this doorbell apart is its fashionable design and invisible camera. The classic design fits seamlessly with any aesthetic, while the invisible camera ensures the privacy and security of your home. Plus, the zinc alloy outdoor submachine is vandal-proof, giving you peace of mind knowing that your device is protected from any potential damage. I've been using the Awapow Doorbell Peephole Viewer for a while now, and I can honestly say that it has made a huge difference in my home security. With its easy installation and user-friendly interface, it's a must-have for anyone looking to upgrade their doorbell system. So, if you're in the market for a reliable and stylish doorbell camera, I highly recommend checking out the Awapow 3.5-inch Doorbell Peephole Viewer Digital Door Camera. You can find the link to purchase in the description below. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.